they're red. I know there's going to be red lipstick on my teeth. What is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I know it's been a while. I've been kind of struggling lately. It's just been really hard working and editing and all the mix. You know what I mean? Like, it's just been really hard on me, so I kind of just set back a little bit because I was stressing myself out. I was getting really stressed, and it's not good for my health. It's not good for me. My mood all the time and my attitude at work and at home and with family is just not right. So I hope you guys forgive me. I hope you all will still stay around and stick around until this all gets worked out, which it will. But yeah, I'm a Disney villain princess right now. I didn't expect to create this, but these lashes basically do it for me. It's so adorable. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to quickly, as I say, for you guys, not for me, about to perm my lashes. And I'm really excited because this will be the third time that I've done it. We're going to see how that goes. I'm going to fast forward you guys through literally everything so that we can quickly do this and then do a makeup look really quick. So first I have the Pink Zio glue. I don't know why it says number 5. But this is the glue, and then here's the little silicone piece that goes on your lid. So I'm basically going to put the glue all over that. A lot of people get upset, well, professionals get upset when they see me doing these DIY kind of treatments on myself because they are made for professionals, but I think if you follow directions, they make a DIY kit, so follow directions, do everything safely as you can. I'm not too stressed out about it. I don't plan on getting anything in my eye, and I have not noticed less eyelashes since my first application, so I feel good about it in case any of you guys are worrying about this. It looks really creepy at first. Okay, now I can't really look at you guys that straight because obviously this is kind of hindering that, but I'm just gonna put some glue on the silicone as well. I probably shouldn't have done the whole thing straight away because it does dry quick, but we can reapply. We're gonna let that dry for a second, and we're going to probably use our finger to stick on the lashes because it's not always the easiest thing to get them up there. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you can see a little bit better. I'm just kind of rolling my lashes up on there. Doing this makes you so proud of your natural lashes because they look so much longer like this. However you perm them, stuck like this, that's how they're gonna look. I think that looks pretty good. Apply the perm lotion. Ooh. And when you apply the perm lotion, it's really important you don't add it to the tip of the lashes towards the top because it will make your lashes become unstuck basically by the glue. Then I wait 20 minutes and then I do the setting lotion. Before putting that on, of course, I remove the perm lotion. I just didn't show you. And then you leave that on for about 10 minutes. And then you remove that. And then you apply the moisture lotion. Then you let that sit for about 5 minutes or so. And then I usually have to apply it again because the lashes are really stuck on there. Mine are super thin. So after that, that's it. I didn't really expect this to be a voiceover. Well, I guess I kind of did, but I'm just going to talk to you guys basically what I'm doing. I'm just using a Morphe brush, and I'm using the James Charles palette, I believe. Mainly the browns in that palette, and then I'm using some browns in the Modern Mattes. My two favorites, I mean, they're the best for color, and apparently best for neutrals too. I'm using just a blending brush. It's a really narrow brush. I'm using that to get in the outer corner and kind of just deepen that up. I just use kind of wiggle motions, and it just kind of blends itself. And I just pick a darker color each time until I get it to where I feel like I like it. Then I take a whole bunch of different golds, as you'll see. First one is the 9N Morphe palette, and then it's the ABH Prism palette, and then Huda Beauty palette. I think that's rose gold. remastered or something. And then I blend the brown back into it. Then we're going to do simple stuff like our brows, our under eye. I didn't really show you all the steps of this because it's literally the same thing I did on the top, just on the bottom. Then I add this beautiful pair of lashes, and voila. I immediately want to name this Disney like villain. I didn't think these lashes would look like this from far away. They look scary. And the red lip does not help either. But here's the final look, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. I'm literally in love with it. I feel like the blue is just like bam in your face. It's so much. It's so extra. It's so typical of me and what I do. But it is what it is. I mean, I like it, and I wouldn't wear this on a day-to-day basis. I just think it's fun, creative makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.